Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Before we begin, let's go to a disclaimer. This is not an official Mitel training and it is not meant to replace a Mitel training. Please make sure you get yourself an official Mitel training if you lack in that regard. This tutorial will not be held responsible for any damage that you may do to yourself or your equipment due to what is contained in this tutorial. Today I had an interesting request. A user who is using a PRI which has a DDI did not want to receive external calls through the DDI for her extension or his extension. So the requirement was that we exclude that extension from being dealt externally in such a manner that other users will still be able to call it internally. So my first instinct was that this should be done at a PSTN level by the telco or the service provider. But when the service provider was contacted, they could only block DDI in batches of 10. So that became a non-starter for us because we wanted to only exclude one. So this is how we eventually managed to exclude just one DDI number from receiving incoming calls. This is how we blocked the extension number. For a demonstration, we'll just say the extension number was 8000. So what we did was to create a class of service specifically for that extension number. Let's go ahead and create that class of service. All extensions are on class of service 1, but we need to create a separate extension on class number 4, which we are going to dedicate for that particular extension, which is 8000 in our case. So I'll just go ahead and copy this one. I'll say copy 124. Then I'll say non DDI extension. Non DDI extension. Now, of importance in this class of service is to enable non DDI extension. We say yes. We are looking for the non DDI extension, which is this one. We say non DDI extension yes. Then we save. Then the next thing, we go to our station attributes, and then we go to that particular extension and change its class of service to 4. We said our extension is 8000. We change class of service to 4 for day. For night 1 and for night 2, and we save. Now if I call this extension internally, it works. If I call it from outside using its DDI number, by prefixing the DDI number here, I get a fast busy. So this is how you manage to handle that situation. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and tune in for another quick tutorial.